Jiribam district is gradually limping back towards normalcy after being mired by violence in the past few months. Thanks to efforts of district administration, which has worked relentlessly to restore normalcy in the district. As part of its ongoing peace efforts, a group of Hmar residents from the Kalinagar area of Jiribam were escorted by district police and CRPF personnel to their homes, allowing them to tend their belongings after months of displacement. These Hmar individuals had been displaced from their homes and sought refuge in the neighboring Kachar district of Assam after the outbreak of the communal clashes. Talking with media person, one of the Hmar victims lauded the Jiribam district police and CRPF for escorting them to their homes, while also expressing hope of peace returning to this district. It may be mentioned that Jiribam district administration has been working tirelessly to broker peace between warring communities. They had initiated peace talk with representatives of 2 communities in this district.
Ngasi Jiribam da state force ka CRPF kana changbagi aduiga security PB bai damak ta yam harau jare mathang da su normal life oina leina lehanna yam pami hajage yum sina traunga khak changai ngasi na han bo oina mahata na dum lak chaninge hajage